That's Eco setting. The lowest one. That's Eco 1. It's now dropped down to no breeze really, it's just a tiny bit there. You can just feel it right the way down the bottom. This is the 40-inch fan, by the way. That's the oscillating. So move it up to 2. I've not quite mastered the controls of this yet, so you'll have to just excuse me, but I wanted to show you, or let you hear the sound it makes. I hope you can hear it okay with this video. So that's on 2, Eco 2, or rather 2. Now it took it up to 3. That's pretty strong, isn't it? Now if I change the mode to, I'm not quite sure what that one is down there. Slightly different controls to what's actually on the top of the fan. And incidentally, you can get your handset to stay on the top of the fan. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a magnet on there. Where are we now? Back on Eco 1 now. There's a nighttime mode, and we've got settings of the time, which I've not tried yet, but 1 hour there, 2 hours, 4, sorry, that's presumably 3, then there's 4, then there's 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's brilliant. I'm really pleased with it.
So this is my little review of this Pro Breeze fan that I just bought from Amazon, and all I can say is it's nothing but good news. Now already my favourite part is that it comes with a controller. Now come on now, we all know we love a good controller. We can't be us getting off our beds, sofas, just to change the channel on the TV. So now I would want to do it with a fan. But now we don't have to. Now already my favourite things about this thing is this. You can now set it to a timer. So if you want this fan to automatically turn off in about 1 hour's time, you can just go, right. I pressed the wrong button, that's my fault. So, let's say we want it to turn off in 1 hour's time. You just simply press that button, and now that's glowing up, which means this is going to turn off itself in 1 hour's time, saves you from turning it off when you're in bed, you know what I mean. And of course, my second favourite thing is it automatically does its own little turning thing, and you can control it all from this device. Trust me guys, this is going to be the best fan you're ever going to have. Trust me, get this. This is amazing. It's got 3 settings of power, so you can really, really feel the air on your ass. Trust me, this is worth the money. Get it. You won't regret it. It feels so good in here.
Good afternoon. I'd like to show you this fan, which is absolutely fantastic. As you can see, it's got the temperature there at the top. It's a nice, decent size. And the remote is really nice and handy. As you can see, you turn it on. Got different power. That's full powered. And you've got different modes. There you go. Loads of different modes, night mode, fantastic. It turns as well, left and right, as you can see, and it blows out a decent amount of air. And it's quite quiet, to be quite honest with you. And I would definitely recommend, if you want a decent tower fan for the hot weather, I would definitely recommend this.
I thought I'd better do a video on this particular product. I've got 3 of these in total and they are super quiet. I've got 2 at home. I bought another fan and sent it back because it was super noisy with this thing. It looks smart, it's not expensive, and it is very quiet. It also oscillates. Thank you.
Yeah, this is the fan. And if you put it there, sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. Oh, nice. And if I put it anywhere, oh, sometimes if it's in the range like this, if you put it here, that'll work. I mean, come on. Like when it comes here, it's gonna work, otherwise it won't.
So this is what the fan looks like. This is on the highest speed and it's on swing. So it's nice, it's tiny, it's good for your desk fan. It's got like small space. It's going to take small spaces on your desk. However, it's a very nice small and mini fan, especially for small spaces and small rooms. I would definitely recommend this.
يبدأ وشغلته يهف، هو بارد. واو، شكرا حبيبي على النصيحة.